Discover how to disable Microsoft Edge's address bar drop-down suggestions quickly and easily for a more private browsing experience. Launch the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the Edge browser. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Address Bar and search under the Services section. Locate the option Show me search and site suggestions using my typed characters. Toggle this option to the off position. Done. The address bar will no longer show search suggestions or drop-down lists based on typed characters. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.